Hey guys, welcome back to another CodeMode tutorial. Today, I will be showing you the basics of Blender. Obviously, I will not cover everything in this one single video, but I will be showing you guys a few basics to get you started. Okay, so Blender is a free program that you can download. It's a 3D modeling app where you can make pretty much whatever you want. Alright, get started. So this video, I guess I'll be showing you how to make a little city looking thing, I suppose. Alright, get started. You're gonna want to go to this little bar right here and want to press create. Okay, so to press, let me get rid of this. So while I'm at it, to delete something, you press X and then you click on that. Okay, so you're gonna want to add a plane. You can put it where you want, and then you want to, so you can move it like, I guess I want it right in the middle. Okay, so then you're going to want to press this button right here, and then you can drag it around to make your little plane. Right? This is kind of like your base plate thing, so you can make whatever you want to make. Okay, so if it's in your convenience, you might want to press Shift and F. Just like Shift, like just like that. Okay. All right. So you can then fly around like as you wish, and if you hold shift, you can go faster. Alright, so you could, okay, I'm just gonna start building a little city, right? So you can insert a cube or something. Okay, if you right click, you can drag it around, and if you click, it will stay there. But if you don't like where it was, you can press right click again and it'll move it back to where it was before. Just like that. Okay. So, I'm not using a mouse right now, I'm using a trackpad, so it's a little difficult, but here we go. Alright, so you can make a little building here, I guess. Then maybe add another cube. A bigger building. Alright. It's not the greatest and most fancy building ever, but it'll do. You can do that. There we go. And yeah, you can just drag it down unless you want to have something below. Alright, there's a little very interesting building. So there's a lot of things you can add here. If you want to have a little more light, you could, I guess you could like go down here, go to shading. You can, sorry, not shading, my bad. What was it? Oh yeah, it was over here, and you can enable environment lighting, ambient occlusion, and yeah, and that'll light it up. If you have something that's like has color, if you want to add a texture or something, I guess I'll have another tutorial next if you guys want more Blender on how to add textures to objects, or yeah. Alright, so oops, okay, you can just, oh yeah, you can also do this. Oh yeah, just click. Alright. So alright, I'm gonna add a little we'll just do a little cylinder building. Drag this up. And now it's a little tower. Actually, big tower, honestly. Oh, that's my bad. If you press V, that opens your brush, and kind of, yeah. But painting is a whole nother thing. Let's not worry about that right now. So right. So yeah. Oops. No. Okay, so this is edit mode. There's something else you can do where you can select stuff and yeah, like you can sculpt things out. It's a little bit, it's a little more complicated, but you can like bend stuff with it, and it's interesting. It's interesting. But we're gonna go back to object mode, and we're gonna continue building our city. So let's say you want, let's say you wanted to have a building that looks like a monkey. I'm not sure why you would want a building that looks like a monkey, but if you did, you can. So yeah, now we have a monkey. You can you can make what do you call what's her name? You can make, I can't think of the name, that one gorilla that just destroys cities. Alright. So I guess that'll be all for this video. It's just kind of a basic tutorial how to get you started on like this app is pretty self-explanatory at this point. So let me know what you guys decided to create. I'll be watching in the comments to see what you guys have made. See you guys.